Welcome back. Now, it is hour 2 of our Tuesday morning edition, but it is a special Tuesday morning indeed because it is Colorado Gives Day. Joining me today on the couch is the Director of Development for the Mountain Family Health Centers, Emily. Emily, how are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
I'm so excited about today. It's such an important day in our community, and you are part of Mountain Family Health Center. So what is it? Tell me all about it.
Yes. So Mountain Family Health Centers has 10 integrated health centers across Eagle County, Garfield County, and Pitkin County, but there are 3 health centers right here in Eagle County. One is in Avon. It used to be in Edwards in the Shaw Pavilion, and people had to walk up the hill to get there. So in February of 2023, we were so excited to move to Avon, to Chapel Square, which is a lot easier for accessibility for our patients. And then we also have a health center in Gypsum, where the urgent care used to be on McGregor Street. Mm-hmm. And then we have a school-based health center in Avon Elementary School. So it's convenient for kids to see a healthcare provider during the school day.
Wow, so you've got 10 locations and 3 of them right here in Avon. So you mentioned integrated health. What is integrated health and what do you provide?
Yeah. So integrated health, so we provide medical, behavioral health, and dental care. And we have pharmacy services at some of our locations as well. But integrated means that if a patient comes in for a medical need and the provider is talking to them and realizes, oh my gosh, they don't have a dentist. Well, we have a dentist. So they refer the patient to our dental team and take care of the whole person. So it's a holistic approach to health and well-being. So we really treat the whole person.
And that's amazing that you provide all of those services, and it's for affordable health care. So tell me, who is your demographic and who can come for treatment?
Yeah. So we serve the most vulnerable in our population. It's kind of surprising, but 39% of patients do not have health care coverage. And 75% of our patients are either on Medicaid or uninsured. So that's a huge number.
Yeah.
So we serve people who, whether they have insurance or don't have insurance. We have a whole enrollment team that makes every effort to sign people up for health insurance, Medicaid. We have a sliding scale payment plan for people as well that goes up to 400% of the poverty level. So we make it really affordable for people to access care. And what's staggering is that Colorado has a 10% uninsured rate.
Wow.
And here in our mountain region, which is, Eagle County, Garfield County, and part of Pitkin and beyond, it's 15%. So the need is so there for our community.
And you wouldn't think that because we're a resort town and you expect people to come here, but there are locals that take care of our space and our community. So it's very important. So 15%, and that's 5% above the state rate. That's incredible.
Yes. And I mean, the burden of providing health coverage a lot of times is on employers, and these are our workers in our community, and locals, or even people visiting, who the unexpected happens and they're looking for health care.
Yeah, absolutely. So speaking of healthcare, you have a Health for All fund.
Yes.
Tell me about the Health for All fund.
Yes. So the Health for All fund started in 2020, and it was really designed to raise awareness and, excitement around providing health care for everyone in the community. And it goes to our greatest need and helps provide insurance for people who can't afford it. Helps provide health care, I should say, not insurance. Helps provide health care and services for people who cannot afford it.
That's great. And now can anybody contribute to the Health for All fund?
Yes. I'm so glad you asked. Yeah, so today is Colorado Gives Day, and Mountain Family Health Centers participates in Colorado Gives Day. if you go to the coloradogives.org website, we have our profile is up there, and you can anyone can make a donation to us. Yeah, and every dollar helps, because it all goes to providing the great care that we do throughout the community.
That's amazing. And you're a nonprofit, and so today is a big day for fundraising for you. And
It is. I mean, Colorado Gives Day overall, I think last year raised $34 million in the state of Colorado. Much of it is grassroots support. It's the $25 donations. And right here in Eagle County, I think we raised nearly 1.5 million.
That's incredible.
Of that,
Yeah.
34 million. Yeah.
Wow, that's huge. That's great.
Yeah.
So how many patients are you treating on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis? You know, do you see an uptick in specific time of year? Tell me more.
We have about 24,000 patients throughout our region that consider Mountain Family Health Centers their healthcare home, with a primary care provider, or they come in for service, a medical, dental, behavioral health service. So we see a lot of patients, and many of them right here in Eagle County, with Avon being quite busy, a quite busy location.
And that's why Colorado Gives Day is so important, because this money is going to help keep people healthy, to keep our valley up and running and active, and just really providing like support for the well-being of everybody that's here.
Absolutely.
That's great.
Absolutely.
So in regard to your services, can you just walk in? Do you have to schedule appointments online? Tell me more.
We have, you can schedule an appointment. On our website is our phone number to call. We have a great call center that schedules appointments to all of our locations. So I recommend visiting our website and calling the appointment line to make an appointment, so you can let them know what you want to go in for.
That's great. And let's say you're not sure what to do or what kind of appointment. Do you have people that help recommend, let's say my eye's twitching, do I go see an optometrist or do I go see a regular doctor? What is the cause of that? And do you kind of help say, well, hey, listen, let's talk about who you should meet or what you should do? Tell me more.
So, one thing that we strive to do is have like a care team. So the person making the appointment is not trained medically, so they wouldn't give medical advice. But once you came in for your appointment, everybody from the medical assistant to the physician assistant or doctor would be working together to help in your care. So that I hope that answers
it
what you were
absolutely
asking.
does. It's great to know that you have such a selective or an extensive staff and team on board. So you've got a care team, you've got doctors, you've got nurses, and all of these people, are serving the greater good. They're not just doing it for profit, and so that's a big deal.
Yeah. So I've been with Mountain Family Health Centers for 4 months now. So I just recently started there, but I'm so impressed by our staff. We have over 200 employees.
Wow.
And they are so dedicated to the mission of delivering healthcare for all, and committed. That they're very committed, and it's really inspiring to see.
Wonderful. Well, Emily, we appreciate you coming on. Best of luck to you today on Colorado Gives Day. I hope you raise as much as you did last year, if not more, and at least exceed that. We really appreciate all that you're doing to keep the Valley healthy.
Well, thank you so much for having me.
Absolutely. Now, if you want to give, and healthcare and making sure the community is thriving and doing well, give to Mountain Family Health Centers. You can head over to their website or the Colorado Gives Day, and I believe maybe Eagle County Gives Day as well. Absolutely. So definitely head over there. Donate today. Today is a day of giving. So while you're thinking about giving to your family and friends this holiday season, impact the community as well. Now stay tuned. We have a bit more here right after this.